Hi, my name is Jake McCormick, Business Development Manager for Enterprise here at Clevertouch. So you may have heard me speaking about in-room collaboration, but equally as important is out-of-room collaboration. So as some people are going back to the office, we still have people working at home, the kind of hybrid model. So we want to give people at home the same experience that we're having here in the office. This is where we look at it as inclusive meetings. So I'm on the UX Pro 2, our enterprise product for the meeting room. So with our connections, we can actually rename a connection. This works really well. With our global partnership with Logitech, we can run a Microsoft Teams room, a Zoom room, a Google Meet room. So what I've done is I'm using the MTR for Android based on the Rally bar. So I've changed my connection now as MTR. So we could be presenting in the room, collaborating, but then we have a video call. So for example, I know I've got a call on Teams. So I can go onto MTR and it now takes me into that native Teams experience. So I can go into one of my calls using One Touch Join, for example, the board meeting at 2 o'clock, or we have a customer in at 3 o'clock. I can go to Meet Now and I can decide to call someone. This works really well as a permanent solution, but I can also have this on a trolley and then have a mobile video conferencing solution. So I'm going to join one of my calls. So I'm going to go into my call using the Rally bar's 4K camera, microphone and speakers, but I forgot I need to invite one of my colleagues in. So I can go to my participants, add participants, and I'm going to give Ash a call. So once Ash joins the call, we can have our meeting. We can use it exactly how we would in a normal kind of room.
Hello.
Hi Ash, you okay?
Hi Jake.
So now me and Ash can actually collaborate. Ash is at home and I'm in the office. So we could actually start a Microsoft Teams whiteboarding session. So this is where...
Start that for you now, Jake.
Thank you. So this is where we can really kind of have that collaboration piece. This is where an interactive screen does belong in a meeting room. So now Ash is writing, I can come up to the screen myself, choose one of the colours, and I can start writing as well. So I can write hello. And we can start moving around the canvas as an infinity canvas. So say, for example, we wanted to put a document in there, a PDF, Word, Excel, all of those kind of things. As Ash is on his laptop, he could drop in, say, a drawing of some sort. So very quickly, we can have the same experience. As Ash feels like he's in the office, he can use the same technology.
Here we go, Jake.
So I see that we've put the drawing there. I can now start to zoom in. And this is where we can really collaborate. So I could say, for example, I'm going to start circling this part of the drawing. Maybe we need to do a revision to this part. Ash can look at another area and he can highlight over there. So we can now take this document and it's going to save back to our OneDrive. If I want to go back to my video, hit whiteboard, and then we're back to our kind of video conferencing. Thank you very much, Ash. I shall speak to you shortly.
Cheers, Jake. Thank you.
End our call, and then we can go to use the UX Pro, exactly how we've been showing you before, accessing my files, going into whiteboarding, or casting up my device directly to the UX Pro 2.